Hey y'all, it's your girl Lolo. Today I am coming to you with a video. I got sent some products from a friend of mine. Her channel is MVP Nail Designs. I'm gonna leave a link to her YouTube page, her Instagram as well, where you can DM her to order these products. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with doing some swatches, but I'm gonna do them a little bit different. Okay, so she sent me 3 dip acrylic colors and then 3 glitter mixes, and she makes both of those. You can use these powders as dip or acrylic. I'm gonna do them as acrylic. This is called Witch's Cauldron, and it's like a black but it's shimmering. And then this one's called Hocus Pocus. It's like a shimmery purple. And then this one here is called Ghosted. And this is also a powder slash dip powder, acrylic powder. And that's really pretty, like teal. And it's shimmery as well. And then the glitter mixes that she sent, this one is called Field of Fairies, and it's pink. It has some chunky rings, dots, and fine. And then we have Girl's Best Friend, which we can already see is quite blingy. It's like all kind of silver. Looks like it's like fine white. That's gonna be dope. And then this one is called Skull and Bones, and this is a chunky. It has purple and blue, and it has a little skull and hearts, or skull and bones in there. You can't see them, but I'll make sure I get one on there. That's dope. That is dope. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do 3 swatches. I'm gonna do the whole nail with the color, and then I'm gonna do half the nail with the glitter faded over it. We're gonna see how they look together. Okay, so this first one I am going to do the Witch's Cauldron color. I'll try that out. And this time I'm going to use the Hocus Pocus powder with the Girl's Best Friend glitter fade on it. Right now I'm going to use the Ghosted color with the Skull and Bones. Okay, now I'm gonna top coat them. I'm just using a little quick dry top coat on them. You can see what it do. Alright. Again, I got these from Gigi from MVP Nail Designs, and I will link her information in the description so that you can order these if you like them. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.